Have you ever wondered why so many men, even strong and confident in their youth, start to lose energy, stamina, and bedroom performance as the years go by? The truth is, nature has its clock. Testosterone begins to decline after the age of 30. Blood vessels slowly stiffen, circulation weakens, and stress builds up. By the time a man reaches 50, 60, or even 70, many feel that their best days are behind them. But here's the surprising news. It doesn't have to be that way. Urologists and nutrition experts now agree what you eat and how you nourish your body can literally transform your vitality. With the right foods taken consistently, men can reignite testosterone, improve blood flow, and restore firm, lasting erections, even into their 70s or 80s. So in today's journey, let me take you through a 7-day meal plan designed specifically for men who struggle with low energy, weak erections, or fading confidence. This plan is built from research-backed foods that stimulate nitric oxide production, enhance testosterone, and fuel your body with the right nutrients. And the best part? It's not about pills or quick fixes. It's about real food, taken daily, to rebuild your foundation as a man. Imagine this as a story. A week-long reset that could change not just your meals, but your masculinity itself. Day 1. Igniting the fire. Start your morning with a cup of coffee, but not just any coffee. Add a spoonful of raw cacao powder. This combination delivers caffeine for energy and flavonoids from cacao that boost blood circulation. Alongside, snack on a handful of almonds, rich in vitamin E and zinc, essential for sperm quality and testosterone. For lunch, enjoy grilled salmon with a drizzle of lemon, paired with a fresh green salad dressed in olive oil. Salmon brings omega-3 fatty acids, which improve endothelial function, the very lining of your blood vessels that controls blood flow to the penis. Dinner tonight is simple: pan-seared chicken breast with steamed broccoli and a side of sweet potato. This balances lean protein with complex carbs for sustained energy. Before bed, sip a glass of pomegranate juice. Science shows pomegranate significantly increases nitric oxide and can even improve erection quality within weeks. Day 1 is about lighting the spark, activating circulation, reducing oxidative stress, and reminding your body what vitality feels like. Day 2. Building testosterone. Breakfast is warm oatmeal topped with walnuts and sliced banana. Walnuts contain arginine, an amino acid that converts into nitric oxide, while bananas deliver potassium, which lowers blood pressure and supports healthy circulation. Lunch is mackerel cooked with turmeric and a side of steamed greens. Mackerel, like salmon, is full of omega-3s, while turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory that keeps blood vessels flexible. For dinner, savor a grass-fed beef steak, served with asparagus. Beef is one of the richest sources of zinc, and asparagus is loaded with folate, both essential for testosterone production. Snack throughout the day on roasted pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are zinc powerhouses and have been used for centuries as a natural aphrodisiac. Day 2 is about replenishing your hormonal foundation, feeding your body the minerals and amino acids it craves to build testosterone naturally. Day 3. Boosting nitric oxide. This morning, blend a smoothie with watermelon, lime, and a touch of ginger. Watermelon is nature's Viagra, packed with citrulline, which the body converts into nitric oxide to dilate blood vessels. For lunch, try steamed chicken with ginger, served alongside sautéed spinach with garlic. Spinach contains nitrates that boost nitric oxide levels, while ginger improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Dinner can be sardines grilled with olive oil, paired with brown rice and a tomato salad. Sardines are rich in omega-3s, while tomatoes contain lycopene, a compound linked to improved prostate health. Your snack today: pistachios. Studies show pistachios improve erectile function scores thanks to their arginine, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Day 3 is about expanding the highways of your bloodstream, widening those vessels so blood can flow freely to where you need it most. Day 4. Fueling masculine energy. Start your morning with 2 sunny side-up eggs, half an avocado, and your signature coffee cacao blend. Eggs deliver cholesterol, the raw material for testosterone, while avocado adds vitamin E and heart-healthy fats. Lunch is seared tuna with a side of seaweed salad. Tuna is high in vitamin D, a nutrient directly linked to testosterone, and seaweed provides iodine to support thyroid balance. Dinner: honey-glazed chicken with steamed vegetables. The balance of lean protein and micronutrients fuels muscle repair and energy. Snack on Greek yogurt with blueberries. Yogurt supports gut health and testosterone balance, while blueberries fight oxidative stress that accelerates aging. Day 4 is about energy, feeding your muscles, hormones, and mind with the tools to feel alive again. Day 5. The power of greens and reds breakfast. Oatmeal topped with chia seeds, walnuts, and strawberries. Chia seeds provide omega-3s and fiber, while strawberries add antioxidants that support vascular health. Lunch: seared salmon with asparagus and roasted sweet potato. This classic combination delivers omega-3s, folate, and beta-carotene to power nitric oxide production. Dinner: rosemary grilled lamb chops with a side of sautéed spinach. Lamb contains carnitine, which supports energy metabolism, while spinach once again fuels nitric oxide. Snack today: pomegranate juice or a handful of almonds. Day 5 is about balance: greens to open blood vessels, reds to energize your heart, and proteins to support endurance. Day 6, restoring circulation. Begin with a banana, cacao, and flaxseed smoothie. This trio blends potassium, flavonoids, and lignans, all linked to better circulation and hormone balance. For lunch, enjoy herring in tomato sauce with brown rice. Herring is rich in vitamin D and omega-3s, while tomatoes provide antioxidants for vascular health. Dinner: garlic roasted chicken breast with steamed broccoli and carrots. Garlic has been shown to boost nitric oxide synthase, the enzyme that creates nitric oxide in your body. Snack: chilled watermelon slices or a handful of cashews, packed with magnesium and zinc. Day 6 is about circulation, keeping those arteries wide, flexible, and youthful. Day 7, completing the cycle. Your final morning starts with coffee cacao, 2 boiled eggs, and a few almonds. By now, your body is primed to respond to these nutrients. Lunch is ginger-simmered mackerel with a fresh salad dressed in olive oil, plus brown rice for steady energy. Dinner tonight: slow-cooked grass-fed beef stew with vegetables, paired with a tomato salad. This meal combines protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats to seal the week. Snack: a glass of pomegranate juice or a handful of mixed berries. Day 7 is about integration, bringing together all the elements of the week and setting the stage for long-term transformation. The bigger picture. So what happens when you follow this 7-day plan? Your body begins to rebuild. Nitric oxide levels rise, circulation improves, and testosterone gets the raw materials it needs. Within days, many men notice stronger morning erections, improved mood, and more confidence in intimacy. But beyond the science, there's something deeper here. Food is not just fuel, it's medicine. And every bite you take can either bring you closer to vitality or further away from it. Remember this: masculinity is not defined by age. It's defined by how you choose to live, nourish, and take care of yourself. Even at 70 or 80, with the right choices, a man can be strong, vibrant, and passionate. So if you've been feeling weak, tired, or embarrassed, know this: change is possible. It starts with a simple decision: to give your body the nutrients it deserves. As the saying goes, a man who takes care of his health takes care of his legacy. Closing words. This 7-day meal plan is not just about food. It's about reclaiming control. It's about proving to yourself that age is just a number, and true vitality is timeless. So take this plan, try it for yourself, and watch as your energy, strength, and confidence return. Because every man deserves to feel alive, no matter his age.